Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you have and why it matters. Plug the 3.5mm into the headset first, then choose the PC port type, combo jack, separate jacks, or USB. Once done, lean in. If you have a USB adapter, plug it in now. If not, plan to use the headphone and mic jacks. Make sure Windows is unlocked and you can open sound settings. This speeds troubleshooting and prevents device conflicts before you proceed. Now connect and let the system recognize the headset. Push the 3.5mm plug all the way in. If your PC has two jacks, use a splitter so mic and headphone are separate. If you opted for a USB adapter, Windows will enumerate it. Wait for the confirmation sound. Then open Device Manager to check for driver warnings and sound settings to select the headset as default device and default communication device. This avoids no audio or microphone mute surprises. Finish by configuring levels and testing audio. In sound settings, set the headset for both playback and communication, then open properties to set speaker around 60 to 80% and check the microphone level and boost so your voice is clear. Test in a voice call or with the Windows sound recorder. If it fails, try another port or the USB adapter, update audio drivers, or plug the headset into a phone to verify hardware. One quick tip: restarting Windows often clears driver holdups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.